Hello everyone! I will guide you through the steps to delete a YouTube playlist using the desktop version of YouTube. If you're using a Chromebook, MacBook, or PC, this method will work for you. If you find this video useful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful content. So, let's get started. Open a web browser and navigate to youtube.com. On the left-hand side, you'll find a menu. Click on Library to access your YouTube library. In your YouTube library, scroll down until you see the section labeled Playlist. These are the playlists you've created on your YouTube account. If you have many playlists, you can click on Show More to see additional playlists. Find the list you want to delete. Hover your mouse over the playlist you wish to delete. On the right side of the playlist name, you'll see the 3 vertical dots, also known as the option menu. Click on these dots. A menu will appear with various options. Select Delete to begin the process of deleting the playlist. Once you confirm the deletion, a message will appear, indicating that the playlist has been deleted. You will no longer have this playlist in your YouTube account. So that's it. You've successfully deleted a playlist on your YouTube using the desktop version of the platform. If you have any question or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. If you found this guide helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Until next time, bye-bye!